Guys, some good news. Listen, you see this one? You see? This is our green pepper. It has started growing. You see? The whole of this line, as you can see, and even the other one. Actually, there are two lines. For them, they look good, and there is some sign that the green pepper has now started growing from the main garden. So, that is it. What's up? Good morning, guys. Depending whenever you are watching me from. But here in Uganda, East Africa, it is a good morning today. So guys, welcome to my channel. Updates about our garden. Here we are today now, guys. You see, I've been working. However, I didn't show you the actually I've been not showing you the videos because I work in the evening, guys. I work in the evening. You know, I transplant this green pepper in the evening, guys. For those that are new on this channel, we are planting green peppers. Is it green peppers or green pepper? Green pepper. So this green pepper we've just started transplanting, and it is a dry season here in East Africa, in Uganda especially Kaliro, because there are some places where I hear that it is raining, but here in Kaliro it is dry season. So this green pepper, I transplant them in the evening, then I go and fetch water to pour on them. So that means I don't I don't I don't work much, because you know, like the first day I did only these lines. Actually there are four. The first day I transplanted only these lines, only 4 lines. So you have to transplant, and after transplanting you go and bring water, you make sure you pour on them. So even the other day I did some lines here, and still you have to go and bring water, you pour on all of them. And fetching water is not easy, guys, let me tell you. Since I started the farming, fetching water is the hardest job that I've ever seen in this game, because you have to go. I get water from there. I told you, I get water from somewhere. There is a well. We get water from the ground, it is there. So the distance is very long, and even the work itself is hard, because I have to put my bicycle. My bicycle is there. Let me extend to it, and you see, I have to go with this bicycle. I put there a lot of jerry cans. I don't have a container. I failed to get a container. That's a paper. Yeah, somewhere where I can collect water. Then I start pouring. So I just use those jerry cans. I go with the bicycle. My bicycle is there. See, I put there a lot of jerry cans. Like sometimes I put 4, sometimes 5. So I get tired of coming with water from down there. So you find that this work is going slowly, and it is okay. It is okay even when it goes slowly like that. But when what you are making is perfect, that is the most important thing. So today I have some good news that our plants have started now growing from the main garden. You see, the sun is too much, guys, but you can see this one. See, it is now growing. See, just a matter of adding on some water. I have some news here. You see this one. You see this one. You see, at least you can see that one. These ones, yeah, at least. Oh, I was scared. You know, guys, this is my first time to plant this. It is my first time to actually to be in the garden, in a serious garden. So when I, like the other day, yesterday, not ye actually yesterday. Yesterday I went back when I was like, maybe I'm just wasting my time, because this thing is not working as I expected, but forgetting that it is dry season. So when I tried to consult from my guy, and my guy told me, don't worry, just keep watering that garden. keep fetching water, covering. And you see, this is how we cover. You see, like let me show you this one which I did yesterday. And you see, because this one I've just covered them this morning. So you make sure after planting, you see, this one I planted it yesterday evening, and I didn't cover in the morning, actually that evening, because I leave this place very late. Actually, sometimes I even go back at night when I come to transplant, because I get the seeds from town where I sleep, then I ride my bicycle up to here. So this one I did it yesterday evening, and I came here this morning to cover. And this is how you cover. You get these banana stems, you separate them like you can see. And yesterday's work is it's okay, guys. You see, this one is looking good, but I planted it yesterday. And imagine this one, the one I planted the other day. See, that's how it looks. But this one is for yesterday. I know all of them, they will not look like that by the end of this day, of today. Some will get like, I don't know how some will look like the other one of the other day, because this work is for this work from there. This work is for 4 days up to here. Yeah, it is for 4 days, but it is for 4 days because water is far, and nowadays we see some signs of water, but it does not rain. Even this morning when I was coming, I thought that it is raining, because where I sleep, we had some signs of water. Actually, it even drizzled, but reaching this side, there is no water. So if rain was there, actually, let me say, if the ground was dry, was wet, this one we could have finished. But you see, it is even getting the bush is coming back, so we have to weed. But before weed, I will not weed there. We are going to first plant. Now if all those if all those plants gets like looks like these ones here, because we have a lot of work here, that's the fact. So if they all starts looking like this one, immediately after all those ones, they look like this one, we are going to start weeding. And after weeding, wherever I finish weeding, we start spraying. So I have a lot of work here. I think God should give us some one day of rain. How did they say it in English? Like in our language, we say ekire kimo. Okatonda tuweyo ekire kimo. So I don't know how they say it in English. Please, if you know how they say it in English, please help me. Help our brothers and sisters out there who doesn't know Olula Moji. In the comment section, Echire Chimo, how did they say it in English? So I have a lot of work here, but I know I will make it, because I cannot stop here. I started it and I have to finish it. You see, after weeding, actually we are waiting, because nowadays it is watering from this level. If it rains, like actually if you get one heavy rain drop, yeah, that's it. Is it called like that, one heavy rain drop? Okay, it is what it is. So if we get one heavy rain, this garden, I think I will transplant it once. Then after transplanting, because rain will be still in the ground, there we will not water. We'll just start weeding, and after weeding, the main job starts, spraying. But I think spraying will start in a few weeks to come. Yeah, because this one has already started growing. So I think this one I only pour water today. This one, this line is here, the one I started with. If I pour water there today, tomorrow I will not put water. Tomorrow I will end here on this line. Actually, it is here. Yeah, tomorrow I'll start from here pouring water, because today this one I'm stopping to pour water. I'm not saying that it is going to be the end of these lines to get water, but because of time, and this one is at least somehow, we are now going to start with this one, then I continue with the transplanting. But today I'm ending here. Today I'm stopping pouring water here, then I start from here going the other side, because when I'm pouring water, I pour starting from there. Like you see, we have these lines. Like today evening I'm going to work here. Today evening I'm going to plant here these two lines, these 2 or 3 lines. Actually there are 3, because there's the other one which I stopped there. This one I came with it and it stopped here because I didn't come with much plants. See, so I'm going to start from here. I reach this line and come back with this one and even this one. See, so after there, then I start bringing water, as I told you. So if I bring water, I start with these ones, the new ones, going the other side. So today I'll start from here. I go up to there where the garden starts. Then tomorrow, if I start tomorrow, I'll plant those 3 lines. Then I will not reach the other side when pouring water. See, so guys, we have a lot of work here. And that's why you see that the other day I was saying that in case if you are there and you'd wish to help me in any ways, you can buy for me the fertilizer. The pesticides, because I have not yet bought the pesticides. So if you can help me buy for me the pesticide, good. But mostly right now we want the pesticides. The rest of the work I can do it. Yeah, I can do it myself. Yeah, but mostly right now we want the pesticides. Yes, like that. So in case if you are there and you wish to support me in any ways, I'll leave my email in the description box, and even you can follow me on Instagram, Brian from Kaliro. You reach me out. You see. So this is the fertilizer, guys. I remembered this. This fertilizer I told you the other day in the video which I posted. This cow dung, dry cow dung. And what I am happy, what I am happy of is the day I put these fertilizers, it rained, very heavy rain. This one was like that was like a 1 week, 2 weeks, 2 weeks back, because we've been waiting for the nursery bed. So the day actually when I put this fertilizer, it's now 2 weeks. So it rained. I am very sure that the what entered in the ground. The fertilizers entered in the ground from this cow dung. I'm very sure it entered in the ground. So in case it is your first time to come across my channel, please subscribe. Load me to 1K subscribers, guys. My name is Brian from Kaliro. Follow me on Instagram, still Brian from Kaliro. See you in another one.